We're pretty excited to bring on two of the most knowledgeable people in this industry. I'm sure some of you guys follow both of them. You've probably had some interactions with a friend here, Adam Russell, who, if you've talked to Mountain View Seeds here on Instagram, that's the guy you're talking to, and Dr. Gregg Munshaw, who's the grass doctor. So
Thanks for having me, guys. Tickled to be on with you tonight. And obviously, I tune in almost every week and heckle maybe a little bit in the chat bar, but it's nice to be on this side of it. My name is the grass doctor, and I'm actually a doctor. How about that? I've got a PhD in turf grass science and have been in this industry for a long time. And up until last May, I was a professor. Worked at Mississippi State University and University of Kentucky for a bunch of years. And when this opportunity came up with Mountain View, it was just a no-brainer to move in and work with these guys. Great company, great products, great people. It just made total sense. And so I've been here since May, still learning the seed industry. And so Mr. Russell is much more knowledgeable on the ins and outs of the day-to-day dealings. But my specialty is general agronomy, and so I answer a lot of questions on how do you grow grass, or what's wrong with my grass, or what's going on with my soil test, and so those are the kind of questions I'm good at. Adam?
Yeah, so I'm kind of like a really low end Robin to Gregg's Batman. So he's like 10 times as smart as I am. I'm the director of product development from Mountain View. I've been in this industry for, I guess, going on 11 years now. I've kind of done everything: lawn maintenance, sports turf maintenance, golf course construction. University of Georgia landscape architect, is my degree. And, I've been on this side, the industry side for 11 years. So I do everything from social media to, helping name our cultivars, to working with universities on research, to our sod licensing side, to, just the general sales. So I'm like the ultimate / hybrid guy. They let me get involved in everything. And that's kind of what I love to do.